everybody. So, who saw the globes at the Spring Fair last year in Birmingham? We had a prototype out of our Grabo globes and it had feathers in it. It got an awful lot of interest because people hadn't seen them before. But it was just a prototype, a little bit cloudy and a little bit rough around the edges. We've been working on that over in the team in Italy, and they've now brought out the transparent globes in both the unvalved and the valved. When they're unvalved like this, you can put anything inside them. Feathers, confetti, little balloons, just like you would a traditional bubble balloon. The joy of these is since they are the plastic from the actual globes, they last an awful long time. They're very hard wearing, they hold their helium really, really well, so your balloons like this will last quite happily for a few weeks, and you can personalise them with vinyls absolutely no problem. Your vinyls won't crease as quickly as they would do on a traditional deco because they're a more sturdy plastic. They inflate to about 15" in diameter, just like a standard bubble balloon. And the only difference is we have 4 seams on them rather than 2. But honestly, as a client, our customers really wouldn't notice. They've still got a bubble balloon, they've still got a personalised balloon, it's still beautiful. They really don't mind how many seams it's got. You may do as a decorator and a professional, but to be honest, providing the products to the actual customers now is crucial. And with such shortages going on, we are loving the fact that the transparent globes are now something that we can use on a regular basis to actually give the customers what they want. So we've just got 2 little examples here. So one's in pinks, one's in the blacks and silvers and golds of the reflex colours. And you can see they are really, really beautiful balloons. So panic not, we might not be able to get exactly what we're used to, but it's making us do things different. It's making us go a little bit out of our comfort zone and trying new products. So I'd really encourage you to have a little look at the transparent globes, the unvalved ones, have a play with them. They are so easy to do, so super to use, and the neck on them is really, really wide, so it's great for popping things inside. So have a little play. If you've got any problems with them at all, please just get in touch and I'll help all I can. Thank you.